Yeah, this shit is good as hell, bro. I got some steak too. I'm gonna just stop playing Dead by Daylight only when I go home. And right now I'm gonna go to the beach and just organize my life and just think. I'm in Florida, so I might as well, even though it's 60 degrees. It's way better than Michigan, and it's fucking freezing over there. So yeah, I was gonna skate today, but I already skated yesterday. I didn't record anything because I don't. Nice. Random. Oh, no, it's not an island. Fake flowers. Where's my child? Like a child, and I'm so proud of it. So proud. Bro, the Uber driver laced me up, bro. I wouldn't even know this was here. I'm about to go over there by the water. There's a lot of people out today, actually. And it's cold as hell. Surprised. The Uber driver really put me on, bruh. I was about to go to a crappy beach, and this is like way better. So this is how Florida looks. It's like a tropical Cali, almost like Cali. Just walking for miles and miles. I don't even care. I'm just chilling, listening to my music. I got my headphones on. I don't got no coat. It's like 50, 58, 57 or something like that. And or it's dropping a little more than that. It's probably like 55 right now, 53 or something. But I'm a little cold, but man, it's snowing in Michigan right now, so. One last time.
I'm having shit. Looking at my watch is like looking at a few birds. Amazed how I knocked this little bitch with a few words. No sir, can't fuck with it, man. You niggas different. Got a little bitch in Seattle, she like to cook me dinner. Fingerprinting safe out the way with surveillance in it. $1 million policy on that in case a nigga slip.
Choose a nasty fall or a bullet to the head. That was the boss lady.
One of the big positives is that Linux distributions have been surprisingly growing as fast as they can. Now, I'm not going to say it's the year of the Linux desktop. That's a level of copium that even I can't fucking deal with on my channel, okay? But Bazite is one of those Linux distributions that I've showed you probably in the last like year or 2 years. I've actually been hyping this up for a fair bit. And basically, for anybody that doesn't know, it's one of the most gaming-centric Linux distributions where literally, if you don't know